This time I will make a prototype for a canvas roof to my Kanot Yawl 400. I plan to make a sleepover tour later in the spring, and the canvas roof will be practical. First I need some canvas. I have some left over from an earlier project, Teflon treated fabric. It will withstand water and is quite durable. As this is a one-off project, I will plan and fit the canvas directly onto the boat. We'll need eyelets to tie the canvas to the boat. Time to start up the sewing machine. Now I can sew the rope channels for the front part. Where the sitting bench is in the front of the boat, I plan to have a zipper so one person can sit on the bench while the roof is still over the boat and have his or her head popping up. I use a double seam to sew on the zipper here. The double seam is quite durable, strong and flexible. Where the sheet is and the front of the back benches is, I will also need zippers, so the sheet can go from one side to another and that a person can pop his or her head up. This zipper I will use a divisible zipper, so the front part of the roof can be separated from the back part of the roof. I covered the zipper with a strip of canvas, and this will protect the zipper from some rain and also looks a little bit better. Frequent fitting is necessary when working without the blueprint. Now I can sew the zipper in the middle. As I'm no professional on sewing, I'm sure that this could be done prettier. support and stretch the canvas from beneath, I will use plastic pipes. We use them for electric cables, and they are strong, light and can be bent to a good fit. Time for checking the fitting again. I also need to cut the pipes to fit the roof. I use a shock cord to keep the canvas tight to the hole. And I melt the ends. Now the back end. This is the part where I want to have sitting headroom, so I make it a bit higher. I need to fasten the zipper on both the middle part and the back end part. Now I can fit the back end part with the rope channel as well. The pipes needs to be kept in place at the hole, so I will need some clip-on to have them supported. With a piece of stainless steel I might be able to do something. I bend the steel to a clip. Also the clips needs to be fitted. Drill holes for the holder of the pipes. Here I use epoxy to hold the clip to the holder. I'm sure that the welding would have been better. Using some glass fiber I will make the bond a bit stronger. I can try the clips, and I realize that I need to bend the pipes a little bit more. Where there are several layers of fabric, I use the sewing machine by hand, but still the needle is bent and I need to replace it. In the morning I do some preparing for the seeing before I go for a jog. This zipper might be necessary in order to use a rudder when the roof is on. I'm not sure it will be usable, but still I put it in there to have some safety. Back at home I can sew on the zipper. Now the rope channel. More shock cord to keep the canvas in place. To hold the plastic pipes in place, I will sew on some pieces with snap fasteners. Now I can press the buttons. Now I can do the final fitting. ready for the camping tour, but that will be on the next episode.